Imagine you are browsing an online gallery of paintings, and you come across a stunning portrait of a man holding a mouth-watering mango. You are impressed by the realism, the colors, and the expression of the man. But then you notice something odd. His hands. They look distorted, unnatural, and out of place. You wonder, what's wrong with his hands? You check the description of the painting, and you are shocked to find out that it was not created by a human artist, but by an artificial intelligence (AI) model. You are amazed by the fact that an AI can create such a realistic and artistic image. But you are also puzzled by the fact that it can't make hands properly. Why is that so? How can an AI be so good at painting, but so bad at hands? This is a question that many people have asked. To understand why AI models struggle with hands, we need to understand how AI models work. AI models are computer programs that learn from data, such as images, text, or sound. Then they use that data to perform tasks such as classification, recognition, or generation. AI models are not like humans, who can learn from experience, intuition, and logic. But they are like machines. Hence, they can only learn from patterns, statistics, and algorithms. Here's one of the most popular and powerful types of AI models for generating images. It is called a generative adversarial network, GAN. A GAN consists of two parts, a generator and a discriminator. The generator tries to create realistic images from random noise, while the discriminator, that is the second part, tries to distinguish between real and fake images. The generator and the discriminator compete with each other, and in the process, they both improve their skills. The result is a GAN that can produce images that looks very realistic and convincing, at least at first glance. However, a GAN is not perfect, and it has some limitations and challenges. One of them is the quality and quantity of the data that it learns from. A GAN needs a lot of data to learn from, and the data needs to be relevant, diverse, and consistent. If the data is not enough, or not good enough, the GAN will not be able to learn well, and it will produce images that are blurry, distorted, or inaccurate. This is one of the reasons why hands are so hard for GANs to draw. Hands are complex and versatile objects, as they can have different shapes, sizes, positions, orientations, and movements. Also, hands are expressive and communicative. They can convey emotions, gestures, and meanings. And they are not easy to capture, label, and annotate in images. Moreover, hands are not easy to find, compare, and match in the data. Therefore, the data for hands is limited, and the quality and complexity of hand data is not well represented in the data. When it comes to drawing hands, the margin for error is incredibly narrow. Even slight deviations in finger positioning or proportions can make a hand look unnatural or awkward. AI's reliance on pattern recognition and lack of understanding further amplifies this challenge. Achieving the level of precision required for realistic hands remains a hurdle for AI art models. That's where the role of human artists comes into play. They can simplify complex things into basic forms, while AI relies on pixel patterns without understanding how things work. AI produces images that resemble hands in the AI ideas bank. However, it lacks the exact form due to limited data and lack of understanding. The solution to this can be more data and human feedback for training the models to generate images that people prefer. AI needs to understand what it is to have a human body, how exactly hands are connected to it, and what their constraints are. Once enough data is provided, then AI can create near-perfect hand images. Hence, AI art can be improved, and that human artists can play a role in improving it. Can AI overcome these challenges and bridge the gap?